You don't need a big city, you don't need a passport, and you do not need permission. Actually, remember that. You never need permission. You just need your camera and a little bit of curiosity. Any camera will do. In this neighborhood here, this isn't Paris. This is not Tokyo. This is a regular working class neighborhood in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. It's not fancy, it's not curated, but it is alive. And if you walk slowly enough, you'll see that it's full of details just waiting to be noticed. The chipped paint on a wall, the broken mirror, the pair of sandals left outside, or that statue of the Virgin Mary. The way the shadows, the way they stretch across a quiet alley. Those are the photographs people forget to take. See, myself included, we're often chasing for that postcard image, that Instagram image that's going to give us all the likes. But we forget that beauty isn't always on the mountain or the monument. Beauty is very often in that torn curtain blowing in the wind. A cracked tile, a handmade shrine. That's where the heart of the neighborhood is. When you see the mundane, you have now found the soul of a neighborhood. So for this shoot, I challenged myself to stay within a very, very small section. I went away to a neighborhood further out, closer to the hilltop. No cars, no moving across town, just walking. I'm even going to show you on the map this tiny little area. And that's all I give myself, because limits, that's where creativity lives. So, photographing your neighborhood is one of the greatest exercises you can ever do as a visual artist. It's a creative challenge, it's a spiritual reset, it's therapy, and it's one more thing, it's marketing. I'd like to explain that part to you. When you carry a camera, when you carry around with you in your own city, your own block, you're not doing what most photographers do. And that's what's going to make you stand out. As you know, if you follow this channel, I help photographers and filmmakers with their businesses. You want to do what others are not doing. Not only are you practicing, not only are you seeing things with new eyes, not only are you training your brain to look for light, composition, and meaning where others see nothing, you're also marketing yourself. And that's where the business tip is hidden in plain sight. Walking around with a camera, it's the easiest way to be seen as a photographer. Actually, not a photographer, the filmmaker. People ask questions, they will sometimes introduce themselves, they'll stare at your camera, they'll stare at what you're doing, and clients will remember the face they saw with that camera. Because before they can remember your business name, before they can remember your name or your website, they're gonna say, oh yeah, I see you. I see you around all the time with that camera. And that is branding. That's branding better than any ad. That goes so deep. Speaking of deep, let's go a little bit deeper. Why is it so important to shoot the ordinary? Because the ordinary is disappearing. The soda shop on the corner, the old lady feeding the cats every morning, the spider web, that plant. Those are images people will wish they had.
Profit 8 cents, baby.
Only one that you can leave alone are the 30-minute entries.
Te dan ganas, yo soy tu juguete. Lo das todo, pero no te compromete.
don't need a model. You don't need a client. You just need to walk. Just walk down streets. 30 minutes. No destination. No plan. Just walk and feel and push the button on that camera. Look up, look down. Behind you, just notice everything that others walk past. And when you do that, you're not just taking pictures. You are taking a responsibility as a visual historian, whether it's motion or it's still. You want to grow your photography business this year? Your filmmaking or your video business? Then shoot like it's going away tomorrow. Because one day, it will. And if you're there with your camera, you're gonna be the one that preserves it. Start with your block, your street, the cracked sidewalk right outside your house, the flickering neon sign at the corner store. That's the heartbeat. And when you document the heartbeat of a neighborhood, you're not just creating art, you are creating proof that it existed. And that is powerful. That is why you picked up a camera, and that is why you risked it all. That is why you became a storyteller. So if you're feeling uninspired, if you feel like you need something bigger, no you don't. Just stop. Go in. Go smaller. The ordinary is your teacher. The mundane, that's the magic. And your camera, that's the tool that you're going to use to translate. A favor. Subscribe if this reminded you that you don't need a perfect location, a perfect life, or a perfect anything to make great work. Just show up. Just shoot. Just start. I'll be watching. We'll all be watching. And the world is better when you show us how you see it. My name is Walid Azami. My website is walidazami.com. And if you're interested in getting more help, consider joining a VBA. If you're a filmmaker, you are a photographer, you need help, you need support, you need community, you need someone to tell you what to do, what not to do, so that you can just do what you do best. Create amazing pictures, amazing videos, incredible films. I have something that is 100% complimentary. It is my gift to the community, and it is a place that is safe, that is constructive, that is inspirational, and that is 100% positive. It's a Discord community that is newer, but it's growing pretty quickly. It is called VBA, stands for Visual Business Academy. Different types of photographers and filmmakers and editors, different parts of the world, different industries and genres, and absolutely all different skill levels. So, what's the catch? There is no catch besides we are looking for people who are community minded. We are looking for people to help each other, to engage, to help uplift their neighbor, but also to be able to ask for help for their own lives, their own businesses. I'm in there every single day. I'm in there teaching free workshops. I'm in there giving you templates and worksheets, cheat sheets, everything you can think of. VBA is linked right down below in the show notes, the description underneath this video, but also in the first comment. So when you do that, you're going to go into the Discord. You're going to click join the Discord. Immediately go to the welcome page. In the welcome page, click the VBA form, and that takes you to a short questionnaire. You're going to answer it to the best of your ability. And then my producer, Gary, goes in there and manually approves every single person. That's what makes this community different. We are not chasing numbers. We're chasing quality artists who are going to help each other. It's absolutely safe, it's absolutely private, and it's absolutely free, and I hope I get to see you in there.